Alright, chat. So for today's shenanigans, I'm taking off my starter. So I already took that off. You already can see my two bolts right here. This is the other bolt right here for the top. I think no, it was for this. It was for this because I had to unplug this. Alright, so my other bolt is right here. You probably can't see it, but it's right here. I think this was 1.5. This was 12, if I'm correct. Both top soles for these two were 10s. And then, yeah, plug this, took this off, unplugged that from the bottom. And then I got one more bolt underneath. You probably ain't gonna be able to see it. Yeah, right there. Take that off, and then boom, go ahead and put the starter in. So I'll be right back, chat. Hands a little dirty. It is what it is. But I was the old and with the new. You know what I'm saying? Got it out. See that? There's one of those holes. Hold up, let me lift this. There's the other one. Look at it. Took that whole thing out, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna cap, this is my first time actually working on a truck myself. Or working on, I can't say working on a car by myself, because I've done brakes and stuff before, so. I done modification shit. I do side skirts. I do wiring. But working on the engine and shit, this is my first time. You feel me, chat? So we about to get this done, put this in, pop that back in, put that in the box, get my money back. You know what I'm saying? Put that, you know what I'm saying? Bop, bop, bop. Well, let's get into it. You feel me? Until then, let's get a little good look at it. You know what I'm saying?
Keep it low, keep it turn up on a high note. Wasn't born rich, but damn, she ain't gon' die, bro.
Hey, you got my mom's boyfriend car, you know what I'm saying? My other Honda at mom's car, at mom's crib. That's the older brother's car. We're about to put some 22s on that bad boy, put some spacers on it, and then get rid of the fender liners and tinted window. System's already in there. Probably put my system in today too. So yeah, let's get to it. Boom, just like that. We in there, brand new. All I gotta do is plug this in. You see, I already plugged everything back up. You know what I'm saying? I'm not reattaching that because I could give two fucks. Put my intake on. I didn't put the harness back on there because... Oh, shit. Good thing I paused it. I dropped the phone for a second. But put everything back on. This is screwed tight, so I'm not putting the harness back on. I don't care about this. I'm going to let this sit for a second. I think it goes right here if I'm correct. It is what it is. But I'm about to put my intake on. Start the battery. And then start the truck. Alright, chat. Let's see. See if this battery light go out. No? Still's on. That bad boy start though. I tell you that. Yes, sir. On to the next video, chat. Before we get out, we're gonna let y'all see it. This is the gang over here, but there's a whole bunch, you know what I'm saying? It's like 3 or 4 rows. There's a couple people over here, you know what I'm saying? We're about to get out, so, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna holler at y'all when we get out. Even though I just said we're gonna holler at y'all, but. Already good. But yeah, let's go on. True dummy already. True dummy already. I don't know what's over here. Little bro in the fucking draw now. The minivan. Sorry, bro.
Every time, man. Bro, one time you get shot. Can't prevent that, bro. Other than that, it's shit clean.
That Jones dirty. Already. Oh, it's ready. There's nothing wrong with it, but a sensor in the battery. See, for
The interior is like, it just stains.
but still, even if you do that, you know what I'm saying, you're putting the major and the minor problem out the way. So basically, it's still gonna work like it's brand new. Go ahead and flip that joint for a nice little 2,000. If you don't want to pay 2,000, if they don't want to pay 2,000, 1,500. That joint clean. This is BMW clean. Yeah, bro. Nice little 2,000. Cool. called the police.
Clear the area.
Now we gotta leave.
I keep it low, keep it turn up on a high note.